Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Actually, I have created this channel for discussing some technical things. So basically, I will be talking about spreadsheet. So I hope everyone know what is spreadsheet. So it's if you don't know about it, it's just like Excel, where Google provide everyone a free spreadsheet. You can create, you can use it, you can access it, and it's absolutely free. The requirement is you only need to have a Google account. So if you have a Google account, just you can go to Google or your browser. You open Google and search for spreadsheet. So once Google loads the data, will take the first one, and you can go to the sheet. So there you can create a new spreadsheet, or you can take it from the gallery. So there is a lot of lots of varieties of templates available. You can select any of this. Like I'm opening schedule. The schedule is like a predefined template where even we can edit. So if you go for some, okay, I will go with the 1st January of 2023. Okay, here you can see. So the first day is January. It is actually correct date, and other days it will change accordingly. So Sunday will come first and Monday like that. So you can also create like what you are going to do in 8 a.m. Sunday. Then you can create 1 week, like it's a daily schedule for 1 week, and that's the thing. So you have a lot of variety of templates available, and you can select any of them. Like annual calendar is there, then wedding planner is there, travel planner is there. So invoice, there is a lot of different varieties. Another things you can do is like you can create a new one. Like here I have opened a new spreadsheet and creating like name, price, or some gain. I will give gain. So it's basically I have created from scratch. So on this tutorial I wish to show you some stock data. So this is Indian stock data. Like you will get the live price, then the face value, the 5 days value, like last 5 days value. Then you can see 52-week high, 52-week low, then 250-day chart. So all these things you will get. You will get yesterday's like change in price, and we are indicating it with positive and negative value, and with the color also you can find it easily. So basically this will be our project, or this will be the final output of what we were trying to do. So I think the 5 day, it's a 5 day not format, it's a 5 day price. So these values are generated value. It's not like we have to write it down ourselves. It is auto generated value, and values will be changing within 20 minutes delay, or that's what Google have told, like given. So we will create a new spreadsheet and we will try to replicate this. So I have created a new spreadsheet, and I have giving the name like simple name. Then I will give a current price. Okay, then okay, I'll rearrange. Then I will give 52 weeks low and 52 weeks high. Okay, 52 weeks high. Then for me to get the symbol, I will take the symbol of IRCTC. Okay, so for getting any symbol we just need to search like IRCTC, what is the ticker value. So you can see the ticker value is IRCTC. So there is something like formula, already defined formula. It's called Google Finance. The function we have to call. So it's like equal to. Then we have to give Google Finance, and we have to select the ticker. And whatever we need, like here we need name. So we will give name. Then this guy will give automatically give what is the name. Okay, and if you want the price, then we will give equal to, then Google Finance will repeat the same, but here we will give price instead of name. We will give price. And for 52 weeks low, here also we will use the same formula like Google Finance and ticker, and instead of giving price we will give 52 low. Okay, there is some issue. We have to, like, to get the formula, we can go to Google Finance documentation. So there you will get everything. So I think that spelling or something will be wrong. So here just search for 52. Okay, it is like we have to give low first, then 52. So change it to low 52. This guy will give 52 weeks low, and next we will give the same formula, and here we will give 52 weeks high. So we will give high 52. Okay, and next we will give volume, and we will give the formula like Google Finance and ticker and volume. So here we get the volume as well. So we have different options. We can actually use these options to get values. Like from here I am taking this change, and I am using the change. So this change parameter will give the today's change value. Like if today 5 point gone up or 5 point gone down, so that value will get. So that also I will take into account, and I am using it. So now IRCTC have 6.45 rupees gain, or it went up when compared to yesterday. So that is what this change will give. So it's like auto generated value, and you only required a ticker, that is IRCTC for Indian Railway. So here you can see I have all the ticker, and like Excel we can generate it automatically, and we can design it so that it is easy to identify the values. Also you can see we can format, like chain in price, you can see that is having positive and negative values and there is also color change. So for that we can select the change and format it. Go to number formatting, custom number formatting, and here we have to give some formatting, like hash will be representing for number, so I am giving hash. Then hash dot hash, that will be like a number dot number. So hash dot hash, I'm only taking one decimal point here, and for getting the positive I'm putting positive, and for getting the negative then I will put semicolon and negative hash dot hash. That guy will give me negative values, and for zeros I am just ignoring and putting a hyphen there. So for color, so getting the color for the positive value I'm putting a bracket in front and giving green. That guy will give green actually for the positive, and for the negative I am giving red, and if I give apply, that will take place. You can see I have given only one decimal point, that's why I am getting positive 6.5. So this is how I am formatting the change. So same way we can format different things, and even we can create a. So guys, this is the end of the video, and we'll be continuing on the next video, where we'll be getting all the ticker and corresponding values of the stocks. Bye all.